In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Slack module to your scenario and set it up to watch for new messages. To get started, open your scenario and locate the place where you want Slack to connect into your workflow. The goal here is to add a Slack module, such as the Watch New Messages option, so your scenario can listen for activity inside a Slack channel and react automatically. This is a useful setup when you want to capture incoming messages and turn them into actions elsewhere in your automation. Once you're ready, click Add to insert a new module. From the list of available apps, choose Slack and then select the module that matches your purpose. For example, Watch New Messages. This module is designed to monitor a Slack channel and send message data into your scenario whenever a new message appears. After selecting the module, you'll need to authorize access to your Slack workspace. This step allows the scenario to connect securely to Slack and read the information required for monitoring messages. Follow the authorization prompt and approve the connection to your workspace team. As you do this, make sure you're connecting the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. Using the right workspace now helps prevent confusion later when you begin testing the automation. With the connection in place, the next step is to choose the specific channel you want to monitor. Select either a public channel or a private channel depending on where the messages you care about are being posted. This selection matters because the module will only watch the channel you define here. If you expect messages from a team discussion, support queue, or project room, be sure to choose that exact channel so the scenario receives the correct incoming message payloads. Take a moment to confirm your settings before finishing. It's a good idea to double-check the selected workspace and channel, since even a small mismatch can cause the scenario to listen in the wrong place. Finally, save your changes. Once saved, the Slack module is ready to begin receiving incoming Slack messaging payloads from the selected channel. That means your scenario is now connected and prepared to respond whenever new messages arrive. After this, you can continue building the rest of your workflow around the message data that Slack provides.